All right, here's a good question. I'm dealing though with two different descriptions of a solution. One is a mass percent and the other is a density. I'm given 1.2 liters, so I think I'm going to start with the density here. So the density of any liquid is equal to the mass divided by the volume. Here I have a density and I also have a volume. So using those two, I can determine what the mass of nitric acid is in that volume. Yeah, okay. So mass then will be equal to density times volume. The density is 1.42 grams per milliliter times, that's milliliters, so I need to change this to milliliters. I'll move the decimal over 3, so it'll be 1,200 milliliters. So the milliliters cancel. Now let's multiply those. So that gives me 1.42 times 1,200. So the weight then of that solution is 1,704 grams. So that'll be the total weight if I have 1.2 liters of solution and that's its density. That would be how much it would weigh. But only a portion of that is nitric acid. 71% of that's nitric acid. So now I can determine how much just the nitric acid piece of this is. So in the container, part of it will be nitric acid. It's all mixed together, of course, and part of it will be water. So 71% is nitric acid. So I need to figure out what 71% of 1704 is. Okay, so 71, I have 1,704 grams of total solution, and I'm going to multiply that by, if I have 100 grams of total solution, I know 71.0 grams of that is nitric acid. So these cancel, and so I'm going to get 1,704 times 71 divided by 100. So I'm getting 1,209.84 grams of nitric acid. That's not an answer. Oh, the question says how many moles are present. Okay, let's finish it off with that. Whoops. Okay, so if I want to figure out how many moles, I have grams. So moles are equal to mass over molar mass. The mass of just nitric acid is 1,209.84. Notice I'm not rounding yet. Divided by the molar mass of nitric acid. So I have hydrogen, one of them, at 1.01 will be 1.01 total. Nitrogen, there's one of those too, and it weighs in at 14.01, so that's its total. And then I have oxygen, 3 of them. They're at 16, so altogether that's 48. So it'll be 0.02, 63.02. So the molar mass of nitric acid is 63.02 grams per mole. The grams cancel, and I'll take that number I had, divide 63.02. I'm coming up with 19.1977, etc. moles. Let's check the question. Looks like I have 3 sig figs everywhere, so I need to convert that to 3 sig figs. So 19 that'll be a 2 moles. So that'll be the number of moles of nitric acid that are in that solution.